Hey friends, if Windows Defender keeps enabling itself on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first thing is that you need to understand that Windows security is very important for your system, and if you have disabled it for some reason, then well, you may have your own reasons, but Windows does not want you to do that, so it will keep on enabling itself. Now, if you want to disable it, then simply search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and go to Windows Security. Now go to Virus and Threat Protection on the list on the left hand side and select Manage Settings in the right pane. Now scroll down to Tamper Protection and turn it off. This is not a good thing to do, but you can turn it off. And if that doesn't work either, then simply install a third-party antivirus. Because you can turn off a third-party antivirus, you cannot turn off Windows Defender. If you install a third-party antivirus, it will take over Windows Defender and will become the primary antivirus on your computer. So I'll search for free antivirus in the search bar, and then I'll go to the Avast one and I will use the free download option. Okay, because I just want an antivirus, even the evaluation version that will stop the antivirus on my system from working. So I will install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.